Yo, YouTube family, what's up, man? It's your boy, Bull City Dasher. We're back with another video. Take y'all on a ride with me today, man. It's Tuesday, lunchtime. It's 12:02. We got this order. As soon as we cut the app on, like within seconds of cutting the app on. So this was truly meant for me. I'm here to pick it up. This is a crazy long line, man. We finna jump the line, go get our order, and get up out of here and get it delivered. Let's get this money.
Watch this, hey, watch this, hey, watch this, watch this, hey, watch this, man, watch this, man, watch this. See you standing there just watching, standing there just watching. I'ma give you something you can watch.
All right, y'all, so we got it picked up. It's the big box. It doesn't fit in the catering bag, but we already knew that. Delivery is 3 minutes away, 0.9 miles. Let's get it dropped off and see how much it go up. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, so we got that dropped off. I'm getting another order right now. I ain't even opened my Red Bull yet. That's what's up. So we made that 24, almost $25 in about, what was that, 3 minutes? We got another order. I took it because I was so close to it. And I was hoping that I would get a stack. And I did. Just got that. That came through. So I'm about to pick up the Tropical Cafe. I'm here right now pulling into the parking lot. And then we're going to run to this farm-side kitchen, get this other order, which is the one really. But yeah. So far, so good, man. We're killing this shift, but I ain't gonna spend a whole lot of time talking y'all to death. We're gonna run in here and get this money. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Hit that like and that subscribe. Let's get this other order picked up. We get into this bag today. You hear me? We got that first one up out of here. Be 1.4 miles from the next drop off. Easy money, baby. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so we got another order. I went on and accepted this order. It's not, but I'm thinking right now, with it being lunchtime and it being as busy as I'm seeing it is, everywhere I go is super, super long lines. I'm pretty sure I can get something else added on to this one. I'm hoping I can. That's the logic behind me taking it. But $5, 5 miles, I'm not tripping off it anyway, but yeah, it could have been better. Yeah, I could have declined it and maybe got something better, but I was headed to the Cheesecake Factory, which is right beside this restaurant, so I'm still leaving hope open that before I get there, or before I get it picked up, we can get something added on. The add-ons are usually pretty nice, so right now I'm just out here trying to get it, man, so unless it was just crazy bad, I was going to accept it anyway, but Doordash don't need to know that. Let's get this money. So we got that dropped off. It wasn't handed to me, but as soon as you walk in the building, it's like 5 racks for food deliveries. She was nowhere to be found. So I took a picture, I sat it on the rack, sent it to her, and completed the delivery. And then I got this offer. Walking out of the building, I don't know why they sent me this. I didn't even respond to it. I just let the time run out on this though. That don't require a response. But now we finna head over here by the mall, man, see if we can't get some something good before lunch is over. It's 1 o'clock. That first offer we get $45.23. Got another offer coming through right now. Wow. So I guess they thought I was away or something. That's the same offer. Same offer, $2, 5.4 miles. Man, stop. I'm gonna go ahead and decline it this time so they don't send it again, but that's crazy. Who do they think I am? Let y'all know when we get something else in the car, man, but we're not gonna entertain that craziness right now. I'll let y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so we got another offer. I took it. Again, man, it's a method to my madness always. But I noticed the McDonald's was over here by a couple other restaurants that I like to get orders from. So I'm just hoping that I can get a stack. If not, I was getting ready to ride past it. Can't make no money in food delivery without food in the car. So rather than just keep declining orders, I went on and took it. Like I said, I hope we can get a stack, man. It's a seafood place over here. It's a Thai place over here. And then, of course, it's a pizza place. It's a couple other, like Wendy's, Taco Bell. So we got a good chance to get something else added on to this order. Hopefully we get something good, but we'll see, man. I'm just out here trying to get it. Like I said, I don't want to waste a whole bunch of time just driving around today. So we getting this order picked up. I'm about to pull into the parking lot now. I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get that stack or when I drop it off. When I get that stack. All right, folks, so no stack. We got the McDonald's order dropped off. As soon as I hit confirm, they sent this jump. I don't know, man. I don't know. But no, we did not take that order at all. Look like they just sent another one. All right, so they sent another order. There's some more junk. The Chick-fil-A is right up the street. But this car just don't move for $2.25. That's just not gonna happen. I'm sorry, you're not gonna get that Chick-fil-A. Not quite yet. Maybe somebody will get it for you, but it won't be me. I get one more order like those, man, and I'm gonna take it to the house, and I'll be back for dinner, cause I can't play these games. But I'm gonna try to get a. We got another order. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what we get, or if we're going to the house. It's gonna determine it right here. All right, we got We got a little more dashing to do then. But that $2 stuff, man, I don't even know what gave you the impression that that was for me. But we got this one. I'm gonna go ahead on and take it. Go ahead and get it picked up. And hopefully it land me somewhere a little bit better than where we are right now, because this is not it. It's not where I want to be. All right, y'all, so we got that dropped off. Nothing to it. Leave it at my door. Man, if you're still here, man, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. I appreciate you if you do. I appreciate you if you don't, man. I'm glad you're here. But it helped a lot of you. Go ahead and help this page get to taking off like we trying to get it to do, man. I appreciate all the views. But those likes and those comments and those subscriptions go a little bit further. Waiting on another order. sitting at almost 60 bucks, man, in hour and a half, hour 40 minutes. I could live with that. We'll probably cut it off. We'll see if we can get one or two more. I was planning on stopping at about 2 o'clock. But since I'm out here and there's still a lot of restaurants where I'm at, I'll try for one or two more. And we're going to take it in for a little while. Then I'm going to come back and hit up dinner time. But we got a nice little $60 head start. So we should be able to clean up pretty nicely tonight, man. And definitely hit 200 with no problems. I don't see that being a problem at all, really. So maybe we'll shoot for 3. But we'll see if we get one more. And I'll check back in with y'all as soon as I do. Let's get this money. All right, family, so check it out. It's gonna be the last order for lunch. Didn't get the restaurant I was hoping for because I think that thing would have been about $12 to $15, but this will do. Put it on the screen for y'all. That ain't bad. We're gonna end the day on this one. Well, not the day, because it's just 2 o'clock. But we're gonna end this shift on this one. I'll put the numbers up so y'all can see how we did. And then for dinner time, we're gonna hit the streets at about 4. I'm gonna leave the house at 4. I'm going to my favorite little zone out by the mall. So it's gonna take me with traffic probably about 30 minutes to get there. We'll probably have the Apple on by 4:30, 4:40, which will have us right where we wanna be for that 5 o'clock dinner rush. Got an add-on for this one. So depending on what it looked like, I might knock this out too. Oh yeah. So we got an add-on for tropical smoothie, which is 2 places down, $4.50, less than a mile. These will be the last 2 for the day. And we're gonna finish with more than 60 for the lunch. 2 hours, hey, can't beat that. But I'm gonna holler at y'all in a short, man. We're gonna get this thing dropped off, get this one picked up, get that one dropped off, and then we're gonna do it again at 5 o'clock. Let's get this money. Alright, y'all, so man, I ain't even gonna lie, I feel bad about that last delivery. I done delivered a smoothie with no straw, man. They didn't give me one, but I should have known better. I should have got a straw, man. I dropped the ball on that one. I usually have some in my catering bag, but I done used all of mine, giving them away. But yeah, that's not a good look, man. I hope he got some. I hope they got a nice little break room and maybe it's some straws somewhere, or I don't know. Maybe he got a spoon at his desk. I don't know, man. But dang, it didn't even dawn on me until I got ready to put it on the rack. Like, hold up, how's this man gonna drink a smoothie with nothing? That's on me, man. My apologies, sir. I'll do better next time. But we got it dropped off nonetheless. We got this other one. It's 1.7 miles away right now. Looks like it's going to another office building. But we'll get it dropped off. Like I said, we're gonna call it quits after this one for now. Remember what I say, man. You can be anything in this world that you want to be. Just don't be ungrateful. And whatever it is that you decide to be the best at it. It's your boy, man, Bull City. We out here, man. Let's get this money. All right, y'all, so we done. Another handed to me that the security guard said leave it at the table. So they got a designated area for it. I'm gonna use the designated area for it. It's a wrap. Catch y'all in the next one.